Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post market report for the day. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The American market last traded at 26,584. That was a fair hike of 114.88 points. In terms of percentage, we could see an hike of 0.43%. Now coming on to the Indian markets, in Nifty last closed at 11,300.55 Indian rupees by making a hike of 168.75 points. In terms of percentage, we could see that it got increased by 1.52%. Later on, if we talk about further sectoral indices part, the Nifty Next 50 was recorded to be closed at 26,309.75 rupees by making an hike of 0.67% upwards. Whereas now if we come on to the Nifty Mid Cap 50, which was last closed at 4,280.65 rupees, making a hike of 1.32% in green. Also Nifty Auto, which was recorded to be improved by 3.21%, made last close at 7,416.90 rupees. Lastly, Nifty Bank, which made a difference of 1.717% in positive, was last recorded as 22,105.20 rupees. But overall, Nifty Auto and Nifty Bank were seen to be the most rallied stocks among the others, and Nifty Mid Cap 50 was the least in making the changes today. Now coming on to the top 5 gainers and losers for the day: Ultratech Cement, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Tata Consultancy Services, Grasim's, Tata Motors were seen to be the topmost gainers of the day, whereas ICICI Bank, Bharti Infratel Limited, Nestle, Asian Paints, ONGC were seen to be the losers of the day. But overall, Ultratech Cement was considered to be the topmost gainer for the day. If we talk about the contribution to the index, the major contributors, the sectors which made a major contribution were from IT sector, auto sector, as well as from metal sector. But as you can see, from IT sector is TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, which made a contribution of 24.81, whereas next is HDFC, which made a contribution of 17.30, and of course the most talked about is Reliance Limited, which made a change of 17.12. There are a few good companies to announce their quarter results tomorrow, although this week is quite important in terms of quarter results. So these companies will be announcing their quarter results tomorrow. Like the biggest one from telecommunication department is Bharti Airtel Limited, next is Seat Limited, followed by Colgate Palmolive India Limited, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited, SR India Limited, Interglobe Aviation Limited, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. These are the companies which are going to announce. Although the list is on, but these are the few well-known companies that I have jotted down. I hope you liked this video. If you did like and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to kindly subscribe my channel. At the same time, I would request you to also click on the bell icon for timely updates. Also, in the end, I would request you further to share this channel in your contacts so that more number of people get associated with the channel. I wish you the very best for tomorrow's trading session and also hope to come up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.